around 33. Oh, I was almost bang on my marker with that. Okay, so that's my cut line. And then I'll just mark 33 on this one as well. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to mark these two lines together. Right. Mark out these two lines together. Now normally, I would be, instead of doing this, I would just simply cut my line, but I'm just showing this in this way just for explanatory reasons and for the more novice. Okay, so now we just grab your X-Acto blade, put it out so that it comfortably goes above here, so the knife itself isn't outward at all. Push that forward a little bit. Alright, so I'm about to make my first cut. Alright, so I'm ambidextrous, so we can go left-handed here. Okay, so that's all done. Put the carpet aside. Alright, so we have our carpet now. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold that in half, and we're going to find on the center, and we're just going to push it in, push the fold in, and that's going to bottom out at the very bottom. And we want to make sure that we got that overhang, and which we do. Okay, so now it's just a matter of wrap it around, fastening on the outsides, and it should be very well in place. Alright, so I'm just going to fasten one side now, and I'm just using 1/2 inch screws so I don't go through the 3/4 inch material. And put one through there. We're going to make sure that this is down nice and tight. It is. Alright, so we're going to put one in the middle. One. I'm just putting 2 screws down here to keep that carpet tight to the side. Alright, so there you have it. The upright edge stand. Now I can just put my pieces in. Doesn't matter what you do, it's nice and rigid. You can work on the edge of it, whatever. Make repairs. It's quite simple, quite easy. And you can pull them out, stand them up on end. It works just great. Fantastic. I use it all the time when it comes to panel work and if I need to work on an edge. So it's just something to have underneath your workbench in your arsenal. It's just a very good thing to have.